Discover HASLER Care Services, a range of services for dosing, filtration, mixing, and kneading, designed to ensure the high performance of continuous process industries. As a manufacturer and key player in industrial performance, HASLER Group's mission is to design and manufacture solutions to help continuous process industries meet their challenges. We offer dosing, filtration, mixing, and kneading equipment, as well as related services. HASLER Care Services. We provide HASLER Care Services, a catalog of 10 services designed to optimize the performance and availability of your processes and the skills of your teams throughout the life cycle of your products. When you need consulting and academic services, we carry out mechanical or process audits, laboratory trials, CFD simulations, and trainings. For operational services, we provide installation and commissioning, maintenance contract, preventive and predictive maintenance, troubleshooting and repair, as well as remote assistance. The mechanical audit provides a detailed inventory, a report on the condition of equipment, a roadmap for extending the life of your equipment, and a schedule for renewing wear parts. With a mechanical audit, you can determine the actual mechanical condition of your equipment and obtain upgrade recommendations. You also benefit from greater control and visibility to increase the availability of your equipment and improve your overall productivity. The process audit offers you a comprehensive up-to-date diagnosis of your filter by a technical expert, allowing you to improve the performance of your operations and reduce the operating costs of your filtration process. With a process audit, you can determine the actual mechanical condition of your equipment and obtain upgrade recommendations. It also helps you improve efficiency and achieve your filtration objectives, including reducing filter cake moisture or water consumption. Additionally, this process audit provides you with solutions to improve filter availability, its production volume, washing efficiency, and allows you to extend the lifespan of fabric or optimize the recovery rate. The HASLER Group laboratory trials for filtration allow you to benefit from an expert to achieve your filtration objectives. This service will help you size a new filtration unit or improve a filtration process using Buchner tests, while obtaining an economic assessment of your new filter. The HASLER Group laboratory trials for filtration allow you to benefit from an expert to achieve your filtration objectives. This service will help you size a new filtration unit or improve a filtration process using Buchner tests, while obtaining an economic assessment of your new filter. With our laboratory trials for kneading, you benefit from the direct support of a technical expert from the manufacturer to define the best approach for your specific goals. Whether you're sizing a new kneader or optimizing an existing process, laboratory demonstrations on pilot equipment help you make relevant decisions and obtain an economic evaluation of your future kneader. With kneading laboratory trials, we define for you the optimal kneading parameters based on your production goals, whether it's output rate, product conformity, or process efficiency. Through our testing, we help you determine key variables such as residence time, flow rate, mechanical and electrical settings, and optional features like thermoregulation or vacuum systems. CFD digital simulation is used to optimize the design of your mixer. This is an essential predictive tool for creating faster, more homogeneous mixing processes that consume less energy and which are therefore more economical. Whenever you need to upgrade your mixing process, CFD digital simulation reduces risks and unexpected production shutdowns and enhances your responsiveness. This service will help you optimize the geometry of your mixer, analyze flows and assess flow distribution, flow velocity, and dispersed power. CFD digital simulation can also reduce operational risks, indicate areas with insufficient mixing, known as dead zones, and optimize temperature management and particle distribution. The training provided by our teams gives you access to in-depth technical expertise from the manufacturer and enhances the autonomy and responsiveness of your operating, maintenance, and process teams, thereby allowing you to improve the performance and efficiency of your machinery. It also allows you to anticipate your spare part needs thanks to our custom recommendations. Hiring an experienced trainer will allow you to work in complete safety by managing the risks involved in your industrial processes, while increasing the availability of your equipment. A training service also ensures the preventive management of your machinery and your technical expertise thanks to the manufacturer's best practices. Our training courses cover 4 sectors. Dosing, we train your teams on your feeders, flow meters, calibration chains, controllers, and software. Filtration, we train your teams on Philippe, Vernet, and Austin filters. Mixing, we provide trainings on all lump mixers. Kneading, we train your teams on UCP kneaders. Our installation and commissioning service ensures that your equipment is installed and commissioned in a safe and professional manner. Our technicians' expertise ensures that your investment is perfectly in line with the performance guarantees you expect. With this service, you guarantee an optimal transition between investment and production teams and ensure effective post-commissioning support. By letting us install and commission your equipment, you benefit from a turnkey service and technical support from the machine manufacturer. We prepare the site, liaise with the various contractors, and ensure rapid commissioning, with an installation that is both cost and quality controlled, so as to meet your requirements. By placing your trust in us for the maintenance of your machinery, you benefit from peace of mind. Our technicians perform maintenance rounds on your behalf and provide priority manufacturer technical support in the event of any issues with your equipment. This service provides you with advice on process innovations, on ensuring the availability of manufacturer team resources, and managing your spare parts inventory, while controlling your operating and maintenance costs and the availability of your production equipment. With the HASLER Group manufacturer maintenance contract, our experts manage availability, MTBF and MTTR, on your behalf, and also extend the service life and reliability of your production equipment. This service allows you to benefit from guaranteed preparation and supervision of your shutdowns, optimized planning of your downtime, and management of your spare parts requirements. We offer 3 types of maintenance contract: the Essential Contract, which includes remote support and annual maintenance; the Serenity Program, which allows you to delegate the management of your maintenance shutdowns and your spare parts; the Integral Package, which lets you delegate the full scope of your maintenance operations on your equipment. Anticipate and simplify the management of your machinery with our manufacturer preventive and predictive maintenance service. This customized service allows you to benefit from recommendations from our experts to make your installations safer, thanks to our checkpoints. It also helps optimize the preparation and scheduling of your maintenance shutdowns, anticipate your spare parts requirements, and control your production downtime for maintenance. Thanks to our preventive and predictive maintenance service, your shutdowns are controlled, and you can restart your equipment on time. This service allows you to rely on the technical expertise of a manufacturer expert and a full report to ensure traceability throughout the life of your machines. Thanks to our troubleshooting and repair service, you benefit from manufacturer technical support, allowing you to quickly solve your most complex problems with the help of our experts. Backed by the expertise of our technicians, this service gives you peace of mind when it comes to troubleshooting and repairs, so you can guarantee your performance. In the event of an equipment breakdown, our troubleshooting and repair experts will quickly provide you with a technical solution, either remotely or on site. They also offer preventive advice and recommendations to avoid future breakdowns. In the event of an equipment breakdown, our troubleshooting and repair experts will quickly provide you with a technical solution, either remotely or on site. They also offer preventive advice and recommendations to avoid future breakdowns. With this remote support service, you can quickly and securely troubleshoot your machinery with the help of our technicians, who are able to diagnose and solve your team's problems in just a few clicks from their smartphones. Let us know about your challenges so that we can help you meet them.